Hello everybody, I am here to show you some things. Welcome, I hope you're going to enjoy them. This is my next installment from DIYCHOOSE. I have quite a few cool things here to show you. So they've been very generous and sent some wonderful things for us to look at. All right, so I knew this had happened. So we'll start here. I have this already. I got this, I don't know, from somebody. And I've already completed it. I finished it. I've completed it. It's done. It's one of the first things I did for Smashing the Specials. It was easy, quick, fun to do, and it turned out great. So it's on this wood. So this one's probably going to go into my giveaway pile. And here's its base, right? And the drills are just, there were a pink, a red, a clear, this white AB. That's, pretty much it for the drills. But it's super cute. It turns out really, really, really nice. I can show it to you. I'll show it to you at the end. I'll show you at the end what it looks like, okay? Because I did finish it, all right? And it's cute. So there's that item. All right, so in that line of items, I got this one. So I didn't get this one before. This one I don't have. Let's look at him. This is how it comes packaged. Here's our drills. Here's the toolkit, right? There's the toolkit. Here's the base. And it is another gnome. And again, it's on the wood. I love the stuff on the wood. It holds up very nicely. It's cool. Pull your plastic back right down here. And it, see? There you go. And look at her. She is ready for the beach. She is sitting on her beach ball and she has a popsicle in her hand. Isn't she adorable? She is super cute. Love her. Cute. So everything you need is in there. Here's our drills. Let's look at them. This will be fun to do too. I probably will just turn around and do this one pretty soon because I love these little guys. They're super cute. All right. Let's look at drills. How many do we have? We got a bunch. All right. We have these 1 and 2. Clear and amber color. What do we have after that? We have a bunch of rhinestones. Are you ready? A golden yellow, a green, a couple blues. That's a pink, orange, salmon, purple, yellowy champagne color. Then we have some little tiny champagne faceted. We have some iridescent marquees, and we got these pretty, pretty blue ovals. Those are pretty. Those are nice. I like those. So those are our drills for this little girl. She's cute, and she'll be fun. And yeah, all right. They're ready to go back in the bag. Sometimes they fold up just perfectly the way they came out. Other times I fuss with them forever. All right. This I have had out of the bag because I wanted to know. I was on a need-to-know basis. This is fun. It's a pen. Comes with a couple of tips here. We got a single tip and we got a multi-placer. All right. Here's the pen. So I don't know what's inside it. Little stars. It's all filled with little stars and moons. It's super cute. Stars and moons, right? They don't really move around or anything. They're just in there. It's a nice weight, nice size, all that stuff. And that puppy glows in the dark. Yes, it does. I'm going to have all these things I'm going to try to put in here for you. I'm going to take this in. I'm going to try to take a picture of it glowing in the dark. I have to go in my bathroom. It's the only place I can get total darkness. Oh, that's not true. Down in my craft room, I could get total darkness too. Anyhow, we'll go in the bathroom. And we'll see if we can get a picture of it glowing. It glows pretty well. It was fun. So isn't that cool? Check it out, man. Check it out. You might want one. They're fun. Like I said, I had to open that up and try it out already. And it works. So remind myself, go take a picture right after this. Go get a picture. Okay. I'm going to leave it out to remind myself. All right. Apparently, we're having like a gnome day here. A gnome unboxing because these are gnomes too. All right. So here's our drills. Here's some cording. I'm going to assume there's like a piece for each of them, or maybe it's just one long string and you string them together. Either way, I don't know yet. Okay. So let's see what we have. open up another bag. Bags and bags and bags. So these are acrylic. They're one-sided, as you can tell. They're thin. So I'm thinking they're supposed to make some sort of little garland. Look at how cute. Look at, isn't he cute? How fun. There's this one. I love them. They're cute. Okay, so they're all like different. I thought they were gonna, maybe they're all Christmassy. He doesn't look very Christmassy, but what's this guy doing? Yeah, he's got lights, so he's Christmassy. All right, he's got a Christmas tree. Christmassy. All right, they're all Christmas. Gingerbread man, look at his antlers. Love that. Super cute. It'd be fun to just string as a garland maybe and like hang them on your tree or something, right? We go this way. Merry Christmas. Look at his stash. Gnomes don't normally have, well, he's got one too. Look, he's got a, oh, he's pretty. I love the blue and the white. And then there's this guy with a bell. Cute. Aren't they cute? Yeah. I'm just going to open this. Why not? Okay, so it is 2 strands. So that answers that question. They are intended to be like a garland or strung together. Okay. Let's look at the drills. See what we have. I like those. That would be fun as a garland. I can think of places I could hang that in my house at Christmas time. Besides on the tree, I've got a banister. I got fun places I could hang them. All right, lots and lots of rhinestones. Here's some specials in the middle. Here we go. Let's roll with the rhinestones. I'm going to do it fast. Clear, red, pink, orangey brown color, yellow, green. Love that color right there. Okay, give me more of that, please. That one too. Blue, orange, brown, black, lime green, and another orange. Pretty. That's fun. Now, what were the specials? We got a few specials, not many, but we got a few greens and a few reds. That's our special drills. Like tops of their hats, right? Okay. Alrighty. That's that. Those are cute. I love those. And they're thin. They're gonna get a little heavier. I can't pick them up like that. I'm sliding them off the edge of the counter. Cute. I love them. If I'll use one set of drills, this would be considered one project for Smashing Specials. All right. Last item up for grabs here. Well, it's not up for grabs. It's mine. Sorry. I've opened it. Yeah, I opened it so I could see what it was. Okay, here we go. I love this kind of stuff. You guys love it. This one's smaller. It's not, oh, there's our cord, our hanging cord. It's not a huge wreath, which is, I like it. It's so pretty. So this is acrylic, one-sided. All the blues, super, super pretty. It's got some Christmas balls on it, blue poinsettias, and the greenery, some snowflakes. Flowers? We're going to have flowers? Oh my goodness. I'm excited by that. Oh, that's cool. So that's a special. 6 is special. 7 is special. Everything else looks like it's rhinestones. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I've looked at this one and looked at this one for quite a while. I'm glad I finally said yes. Send it to me, please. Yes, I like it. I like the size of it too. It would be easy to hang. Just put a little like command strip type thing on the back, a little hook. I have one that's been fastened to my front window now for a year. I don't know, a long time. Okay, let's look at, oh, the colors, and the colors. Love them. Okay, this is clear. Don't get excited. It's clear. There's the green for all the greenery. Look at that. That color is beautiful. Look at the cobalt blues. There's a lighter one and a darker one. Gorgeous, gorgeous blues in this. Love it. Okay, so here's a clear iridescent. We have stars. Okay, which ones are the stars? We're going to have to figure that out. Where are the stars? And there's our flowers. Look at them. Gold flowers. Where do the stars go? Oh, I guess they are stars. I saw 7s. Look, each of those is a little star. Starlight, star bright, right? They are stars. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I want that done for next year. I want that in my house for next year. Okay, right? So there's that guy. Wow, fun, fun, fun stuff. And then I think the next thing I'm going to work on, I think, is this. This is cute. I want this done for summertime. And we don't have a Smashing the Specials before summer, so now is the time. Now is the time to do that one, right? Love it. Okay, I got to get the other thing. Okay, I'll be back. Remember this? The little girl gnome, the little love gnome for Valentine's, right? I told you, I finished. I finished. Look. Look how cute it is. Look how adorable that turns out, right? This is all white AB. All of this is white AB. I called it a girl when I did it. I think it's a girl. I think this is all hair, but I don't know. What do you think? Maybe it's not. Maybe this is just the beard and this. I thought maybe it's not a girl. I don't know. Let's see. What's the girl one look like? See, the girl, you'll be able to see her face more, I think, right? She's a big, tall girl. Whoa, she's taller than him. But that's what it looks like when it's finished. Isn't it cute? I love it. Just love it. All right. Thank you, DIYCHOOSE. And check them out, you guys. I'm going to link their stuff below so that you can go check them out yourself. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon.